Hello students, today I am going in my revision session. I am going to present my own YouTube video on chapter the chapter how the camel got his hump. This is supplementary reader and it is for class 8A as well as 8B. Now first of all I would like to ask you what's the meaning of hump. It means a great big hump swollen up on the camel's back, जिसको हिंदी में कुबड़ कहा जाता है. It's written by Rudyard Kipling, the famous author. There was a man who had a camel, horse, dog and the ox. Now he had got these animals with him and there is a term D-G-I-N-N, jinn. It is pronounced as jinn, a spirit that has strange powers and can assume any form whether it is human or animal. जिन, जैसा कि हिंदी में जिन बोला जाता है या उर्दू में बोला जाता है, जिन एक ऐसा कहानी में बताया गया है, दर्शाया गया है कि वो जो है उससे कोई भी चीज़ कहो तो वो उसको दे देता है. क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका, जैसे बोला जाता है उसमें जिन के द्वारा. सो अ कैमल लिव्ड इन द हाउलिंग डेजर्ट. द नेम ऑफ द डेजर्ट वॉज हाउलिंग डेजर्ट, but he didn't do any work because he was a very lazy animal. He ate sticks and thorns and prickles. Prickles का मतलब कांटे. And he said only one thing, that was hump, H-U-M-P-H. He didn't do any work but said only one word, that is hump. Now a horse came to him on Monday morning with a saddle on his back and asked him to trot like him. एक दिन एक सोमवार की सुबह एक घोड़ा उसके पास आया और उसके ऊपर जीन कसी हुई थी जिस पर कि लोग सवारी करते हैं, और उससे उसने कहा कि तुम मेरी तरह से चलते दौड़ते क्यों नहीं हो. Then a dog came with a stick in his mouth. Now the dog came and he was holding a stick in his mouth and he asked him to come fetch and carry the sticks. It means that he was telling him to perform some action. Now then the ox came with the yoke on his neck and he asked him to plow the field. ठीक है, उसने कहा कि तुम आओ, खेत में आओ और खेत को जोतने वाला काम तुम करो. ठीक है. But the camel didn't move at all because he was a very lazy animal. He didn't do any work. In the evening the man called the horse, the dog and the ox. He called him and now what happened, and felt sorry for these animals because these three animals had to labor double. They had to labor double because the camel didn't do any work for continuously 3 days. Now a panchayat was called but it had no effect on the camel. Now the camel came near a pool of water and he saw his own reflection there. The jinn, हिंदी में जिन जिसको बोला जाता है, told the camel that you didn't do any work continuously for 3 days and your work was done by the horse, the dog and the ox. The camel told hump again and there was a big great hump on his back. hump का मतलब कुबड़, उसके पीठ के ऊपर जो है कुबड़ हो गया, निकल आया. The jinn said that since you didn't work for 3 days so you have hump on your back. क्योंकि तुमने 3 दिन लगातार काम नहीं किया इसलिए तुम्हारे पीठ पर कुबड़ ये हो गया है, ये तुम्हारी पनिशमेंट है. And now you will be able to work now for 3 days without eating. Now you won't get anything to eat and you have to work as you can live on your hump. So the camel got punishment in the form of hump on his back for not doing any work at all for continuously 3 days. Whereas the other animals, they did the work continuously and they did double work. Now meanings of difficult words. First one is trot, T-R-O-T. Trot means walk, chalna. Second one is jinn, D-J-I-N-N. Jinn means jinn who has strange powers. उर्दू में जिसको जिन बोला जाता है. Edge, E-D-G-E. Edge means corner. Next word is I will hump him. The meaning is I will deal with him appropriately. मैं उसके साथ जो है कठोर कार्रवाई करूंगा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रिमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड, REMONSTRATED. रिमॉन्स्ट्रेटेड मीन्स प्रोटेस्टेड, कंप्लेंट, शिकायत किया. नाउ दिस चैप्टर इज ओवर एंड आई डू होप दैट यू माइट हैव लाइक्ड this chapter very much and you have understood it each and everything. And now do all the activities of this chapter in your fair notebooks and learn them for your coming exams. All the best. Okay, boys.